In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a GoDaddy online store in 2026. We'll start right at the source. Head to the GoDaddy online store builder. You'll see an option to start for free. Click that to spin up a trial so you can build and preview everything before you commit. When prompted, create an account using your email or continue with a trusted social login. Verify your account if asked, and you'll be dropped into a quick setup flow. GoDaddy will ask what you want to do. Choose selling with an online store. That selection tailors your dashboard for e-commerce, enabling product management, payments, shipping, and a storefront by default. Next, enter your business category and give your store a name. Pick a category that closely matches what you sell so the starter layout and features fit your niche. Your store name can be refined later, so don't get stuck here. Choose something clear and brandable. Inside your dashboard, open the store section and select Add Product. You'll be asked whether you're adding a physical or digital product. Physical products need shipping and inventory settings, while digital products deliver a file or download link and don't require shipping. You can offer both in the same store if that fits your business. Add the essentials for each item, upload high-quality photos with good lighting and clean backgrounds, and include multiple angles when possible. Write a descriptive title, set the price, and use a concise, benefits-focused description. If your product has options like sizes or colors, add variants so customers can choose exactly what they need. Turn on inventory tracking and assign SKU numbers to stay organized. Create a simple, consistent SKU format that encodes key details like style and size. Set stock levels and low inventory alerts to avoid overselling and to know when it's time to reorder. Now configure payments and shipping. Connect a payment provider so you can accept major cards and digital wallets. Then define shipping methods, zones, and rates. Flat rate, free over a threshold, or real-time carrier rates if available in your region. Add processing times and handling rules, and double-check taxes where applicable. Place a small test order to confirm everything works end-to-end. Customize your storefront design to match your brand. Choose a theme, set colors and fonts, and arrange sections like featured products, collections, and testimonials. Fine-tune your navigation so shoppers can find categories quickly, and add essential pages like contact and policies. When you're ready, connect a domain and publish. You can use a domain you already own or get one through GoDaddy. Preview on desktop and mobile, enable SSL for security, then hit publish. Your store is live. Great job.